Hello, let me show you how to find videos and photos that you have on your GoPro Hero 13 on your phone by using the GoPro Quik app. So of course, in order to do so, first we need to make sure that our GoPro is connected to our phone. If you didn't connect it yet, then you need to go to the menu, so swipe from the top towards the bottom like so. Go to the next page, and then over here you should be able to find the option to pair device. And once you do that, you should be able to go to the GoPro Quik app on your phone and start searching. So this is the app that you're looking for. You can find it in the Play Store or the App Store. The account is not recommended, so if you are asked to log in, you can just continue as a guest. And then you might see the initial configuration where you will be asked to connect your GoPro immediately, so you can of course do that. If not, then you can switch to the GoPro over here, and here you should be able to start searching for your GoPro while being in the pairing mode that I shown you just a couple of seconds ago on the GoPro. But once you are connected, then what you need to do is tap View Media over here, and after connecting to Wi-Fi with your GoPro, we should be able to find all photos and videos that we have on our GoPro. Of course, we can select them, we can preview them, and so on and so forth. We also have some options like downloading, removing, and more. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!